Ever since I was a little kid, I always wanted a Datsun Z car. My name is Nick Hallass, and I built my 1978 Datsun 280z. I knew what I wanted to build before I even owned it. I used the law of attraction and manifested a final product before it was even completed. What I had foreseen was a brushed titanium Datsun with a carbon fiber mohawk and a red pinstripe, with the careful placement of finishing touches to transform it into a new age old school. What takes some people a lifetime to accomplish, I completed this build in 7 weeks. From upgrading the exterior with a billet grille from a Dodge Ram, all the way to having full power options and even a double-din dash kit from a Cadillac STS. I manifested a car built for a villain. Most likely you want to see more of the car in action. Well, you'll just have to follow and subscribe, as this is just a teaser.